Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we've got a 1964 Jeep Wagoneer. This casting is by Matchbox and I think it's the second color released for this casting. First one was white with blue windows and I think this one also looks really good. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the 64 Jeep Wagoneer out of its box, and you will notice that it's finished in golden, close to gold, and it's not like a very bright golden, but it's nice. This one is by Matchbox, part of mainline. You can see these wheels. These look more like steel wheels with hubcap, so looks good on older cars. Now let's move to the front. In the front you've got some nice details. You can see painted headlamps, detailed grille, and a bumper. I don't think the actual car had this color. They might have chrome or black, but Matchbox had to adjust with the interior. You can also see the painted turn indicator, and you can see you've got both the mirrors, both the windshield wipers and mirror on the driver's side, which is very common for older cars. So going to the driver's side, you can see at the front window there's no glass. There's a quarter glass, but you can see the interior through here, which is finished in shade of cream, I guess. Looks good. You got both the door handles, keyhole, squarish wheel arches, which is very typical of older SUVs. Also you can see the fuel pillar here, and since we are on the side, you can also notice how different the C pillar is. These older cars had huge windows, so they were boxy but huge windows, which is always nice to have. Feels more airy. Moving to the rear, again good details here. You can see painted tail lamp, number plate with Jeep written there. You got a trim for number plate, silver, and I think door handle to open the tailgate. Again, you've also got the tow hook. Now I see some hinges there. I don't know if the Jeep had like split tailgate back then. I'm not sure. I don't know what these small dots are. If anybody does know, let me know. Moving to the passenger side, looks almost identical, only difference being the fuel filler cap, and this is how it looks from the top, which is something very different here. Normally cars have ribs on, or I don't know what those are called, on this side, but here it's horizontal rather than length of the car. Very different. And this is how it looks from the bottom. So it has some details, as you can see, exhaust and some other detail. Overall, I think it's a really nice looking casting. I think it looks good. White one did look good too, but I think with this clear glass it looks much better than the blue tinted ones. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.